అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. మన ఛానల్కి స్వాగతం. మన ఛానల్ నుండి విద్యా విజ్ఞానంతో పాటు మహనీయుల జీవిత కథలు, బాలలకు నీతి కథలు, క్రికెటర్స్, మోటివేషనల్ స్పీచెస్, లైఫ్ స్టైల్ వీడియోస్ ఈ విధంగా డైలీ అప్లోడ్ అవుతూ ఉన్నాయి. మరి మీరు కూడా మా ఛానల్ చూడాలంటే తప్పనిసరిగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవాల్సిందిగా మనవి చేస్తూ, అదేవిధంగా వీడియోని ఎక్కడ స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చూడండి. మరి ఒక లైక్ చేయండి. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. Hi friends, Namaste. Today let us learn about Pope Francis biography. Pope Francis, born George Mario Bergoglio, 17 December 1936, was the head of the Roman Catholic Church and sovereign of the Vatican City State from 13 March 2013 until his death in 2025. He was the first pope from the Society of Jesus, the Jesuit order, the first from the Americas and the Southern Hemisphere, and the first born of or raised outside Europe since the 8th century Syrian Pope Gregory III. Pope Francis, Bishop of Rome. Church, Catholic Church. Papacy began 13 March 2013. Papacy ended 21st April 2025. Predecessor Benedict XVI. Previous post Provincial Superior of the Society of Jesus in Argentina 1973 to 1979. Auxiliary Bishop of Buenos Aires 1992 to 1997. Titular Bishop of Acre 1992 to 1997. Archbishop of Buenos Aires 1998 to 2013. Cardinal Priest of San Roberto Bellarmino 2001 to 2013. Ordinary for the Faithful of the Eastern Rites in Argentina 1998 to 2013. President of the Argentine Episcopal Conference 2005 to 2011. Orders. Ordination 13 December 1969 by Ramon Jose Castellano. Consecration 27th June 1992 by Antonio Quarasino. Created Cardinal 21st February 2001 by John Paul II. Personal details. Born George Mario Bergoglio, 17 December 1936, Buenos Aires, Argentina. Died 21st April 2025, aged at 88 years, Domus Sanctae Marthae, Vatican City. Denomination Catholic. Residence Domus Sanctae Marthae, Vatican City. Education Maximum College of St. Joseph's, Philosophical and Theological Faculty of San Miguel, Milltown, Institute of Theology and Philosophy, St. Georgian Graduate School of Philosophy and Theology. Motto Miserando Attic Eligendo. Born in Buenos Aires, Argentina, Bergoglio was inspired to join the Jesuits in 1958 after recovering from severe illness. He was ordained a Catholic priest in 1969. From 1973 to 1979, he was the Jesuit provincial superior in Argentina. He became the Archbishop of Buenos Aires in 1998 and was created a cardinal in 2001 by Pope John Paul II. Following the resignation of Pope Benedict XVI on 28 February 2013, a papal conclave elected Bergoglio as his successor on 13 March. He chose Francis as his papal name in honor of Saint Francis of Assisi. Throughout his public life, Francis was noted for his humility, emphasis on God's mercy, international visibility as Pope, concern for the poor, and commitment to interreligious dialogue. He was known for having a less formal approach to the papacy than his predecessor, predecessors by, for instance, choosing to reside in the Domus Sanctae Marthae, House of Saint Martha, guest house rather than in the papal apartments of the apostolic palace used by previous popes. Francis made women full members of dicasteries in the Roman Curia. He maintained that the Catholic Church should be more sympathetic toward members of the LGBTQ community and stated that although blessings of same sex unions are not permitted, the individuals can be blessed as long as blessings are not given in a liturgical context. Francis was a critic of unbridled capitalism, consumerism, and overdevelopment. He made action on climate change a leading focus of his papacy. He was widely interpreted as denouncing the death, death penalty as intrinsically evil, stating that the Catholic Church is committed to its abolition. In international diplomacy, Francis criticized the rise of right wing populism, called for the decriminalization of homosexuality, helped to restore full diplomatic relations between the United States and Cuba, negotiated a deal with the People's Republic of China to define how much influence the Communist Party had in appointing Chinese bishops and supported the cause of refugees. He called protection of migrants a duty of civilization and criticized anti immigration politics, including those of US President Donald Trump. In 2022, he apologized for the church's role in the cultural genocide of the Canadian indi- indigenous peoples. Francis convened the Synod on Synodality, and which was described as the culmination of his papacy and that most important event in the Catholic Church since the Second Vatican Council. Francis died at the age of 88 in the early morning of 21st April 2025 on Easter Monday. In the weeks before his death, he had been making fewer public appearances to, to be treated for chronic lung disease, including a respiratory crisis and pneumonia.
He made his last public appearance the day before on Easter Sunday. Early years. Pope Francis was born as George Mario Bergoglio on 17th December 1936 in Flores, a neighborhood of Buenos Aires. He was the eldest of five children from Mario Jose Bergoglio and Regina Maria Sivori. Mario Bergoglio was an Italian immigrant accountant. Regina Sivori was a housewife born in Buenos Aires to a family of northern Italian origin. Mario Bergoglio's family left Italy in 1929 to escape the fascist rule of Benito Mussolini. According to Maria Elena Bergoglio, the Pope's only living sibling, the family did not immigrate for economic reasons. His other siblings were Oscar Adrian, Martha Regina, and Alberto Horatio. His niece Cristina Bergoglio is a painter based in Madrid, Spain. In the sixth grade, Bergoglio attended Wilfred Baron de los Santos Angels, a school of the Salesians of Don Bosco in Ramos Mejia, Buenos Aires province. He then attended the Technical Secondary School, Escuela Técnica Industrial Hipólito Yrigoyen and graduated with a chemical technician's diploma. In that capacity, he spent several years working in the food section of Hichtier Bachmann Laboratory, where was worked under where he worked under Esther Balestrino. Earlier, he had been a bouncer and a janitor. Jesuit 1958 to 2013. While on his way to celebrate the spring day, Bergoglio passed by a church to go to confession and was inspired by priest. He then studied at the Ancudison Seminary, Immaculada Conception Seminary in Villa Devota, Buenos Aires, and after 3 years entered the Society of Jesus as a novice on 11th March 1958. Bergoglio had said that as a young seminarian, he had a crush on a girl and briefly doubted his religious career. As a Jesuit novice, he studied the humanities in Santiago, Chile. After his novitiate, Bergoglio officially became a Jesuit on 12th March 1960 when he made the religious profession of the initial perpetual vows of poverty, chastity, and obedience of a member of the order. In 1960, Bergoglio obtained a licenciate in philosophy from the Colegio Maximo de San Jose. He then taught literature and psychology at the Colegio de la Immaculada Conception, a high school in Santa Fe, from 1964 to 1965. In 1966, he taught the same courses at the College of Colegio del Salvador in Buenos Aires. Presbyteriate 1969 to 1992. Presbyteriate in 1967. Bergoglio began his technological studies at Facultades de Filosofía y Teología de San Miguel. On 13 December 1969, he was ordained by Archbishop Ramon J. Costalino. He served as the master of novices for the province there and became a professor of theology. Bergoglio completed his final stage of spiritual training as a Jesuit tertianship at Alcalá de Henares, Spain, and took final vows as a Jesuit, including the fourth vow of obedience to missioning by the Pope on 22nd April 1973. He was named Provincial Superior of the Society of Jesus in Argentina that July for a 6-year term which ended in 1979. In 1973, he made a pilgrimage to Jerusalem, but this stay was shortened by the outbreak of the Yom Kippur War. After the completion of his term of office, he was named in 1980 the rector of the Philosophical and Theological Faculty of San Miguel, where he had studied. Before taking up this new appointment, he spent the first 3 months of 1980 in Ireland to learn English, staying at the Jesuit Center at the Milltown Institute of Theology and Philosophy, Dublin. He then served at San Miguel for 6 years until 1986, when at the discretion of Jesuit Superior General Peter Hans Kolvenbach, he was replaced by someone more on tune with the worldwide trend in the Society of Jesus toward emphasizing social justice rather than his emphasis on popularize religiously and direct pastoral work. Bergoglio then spent several months at the Sankt Georgen Graduate School of Philosophy and Theology in Frankfurt, Germany, and considered possibly dissertation topics. he settled on exploring the work of the German or Italian theologian Romano Guardini, particularly his study of contrast, published in his 1965 work Der Gesellschaft. He returned to August. He returned to Argentina earlier than expected to serve as a confession and spiritual director to the Jesuit community in Canada. In 1925 work Gesundheit. He returned to Argentina earlier than expected to serve as a confessor and spiritual director to the Jesuit community in Cordoba. As a student at the Salesian School, Bergoglio was mentored by Ukrainian Greek Catholic priest Stefan Czemil. Bergoglio often rose hours before his classmates to serve divine liturgy for Chimil. In 1992, Jesuit authorities asked Bergoglio not to live in Jesuit residences due to ongoing tensions with leaders and scholars, concerns about his desert views on Catholic orthodoxy and opposition to liberation theology, and his role as auxiliary bishop of Buenos Aires. As a bishop, he was no longer subject to his Jesuit superior. From the on, he no longer visited Jesuit houses and was in virtual estrangement from the Jesuits until after his election as Pope. Buenos Aires Episcopate 1992 to 2013. Bergoglio was named auxiliary bishop of Buenos Aires in 1992 and was consecrated on 27th June 1992 as the and was consecrated on 27th June 1992 as titular bishop of Aca with Cardinal Antonio Archbishop of Buenos Aires serving as principal consecrator. He chose his episcopal motto to be Miserando Attic Eligindo, drawn from Saint Bede's homily and Matthew 9:9, because he saw him through the eyes of mercy and chose him. On 3rd June 1997, Bergoglio was appointed coadjutor Archbishop of Buenos Aires, after which he became Metropolitan Archbishop after Coronian's death on 28th February 1998. As Archbishop, he established new parishes, restructured the archdiocese led profile efforts and formed a commission on divers- divorces. One of Bergoglio's major initiative, initiatives as Archbishop was to increase the church's presence in the shantytown slums of Buenos Aires, and his under his leadership the number of priests assigned to work the number of priests assigned to work in the shanty towns doubled, and he visited the himself. This work led to him being referred to as the Villero Bishop, sometimes trans- translated, translated as the Slum Bishop. Early in his tenure as Archbishop, Bergoglio sold the Archdiocese Bank and moved shares and moved its accounts to regular international banks. This ended the church church's high spending which had high sp- habits which had nearly led to bank rupee bankruptcy and enforced stricter fiscal discipline. On 6th November 1998, while remaining archbishops of Artis, Archbishop of Buenos Aires, Bergoglio was named ordinary for Eastern Catholics in Argentina who lacked a prelate of their own church. On Bergoglio's election to the papacy, Major Archbishop Sviatoslav Shevchuk said that Bergoglio understood the liturgy, rites, and spirituality of Shevchuk's Ukrainian Greek Catholic Church and always took care of our church in Argentina as ordinary. In 2000, Bergoglio was the only church official to reconcile with Germano Podesta, a former bishop who had been suspended as a priest after opposing the Argentina's revolution military dictatorship in 1972. He also defended Podesta's wife from Vatican attacks on their marriage. That same year, Bergoglio said the Argentina Catholic Church needed to put on garments of public penance for the sins committed during the years of the dictatorships in the 1970s during the Dirty War. Bergoglio regularly celebrated the Holy Thursday foot washing ritual in jails, hospital, retirement homes, and slums. Bergoglio continued to be the uh, Archbishop of Buenos Aires after his elevation to elevation to the cardinalate in 2021. In 2007, Shortly after, Benedict XVI introduced new rules for pre-Vatican II liturgical forms. Bergoglio estimated established a weekly mass in this Deg extraordinary form of the Roman Rite. On 8th November 2005, Bergoglio was president, elected president of the Argentina Episcopal Conference for a 3-year term and re-elected on 11th November 2008. He remained a member of that commission's permanent governing body, the president of its committee for his permanent governing body, the president of its committee for the Pontifical Catholic University of Argentina, and a member of its liturgy commitment for the care of shrines, while head of the Argentine Catholic Bishops Conference. Bergoglio issued a collective apology for his church's failure to protect from people the junta during the Dirty War. When he turned, Bergoglio issued a collective apology for his church's failure to protect people from the junta during the Dirty War. When he returned 75 in December 2011, Bergoglio submitted his resignation as Archbishop of Buenos Aires to Pope Benedict XVI. Was established as required by canon law. As he had no coadjutor archbishop, he stayed in office waiting for the Vatican to appoint a replacement. Cardinalate 2001 to 2003. Pope John Paul II made Archbishop Bergoglio a cardinal, assigning him the title of Cardinal Priest of San Roberto Bellarmino. Bergoglio was installed there on 14th October. During his trip to Rome for the ceremony, he and his sister Maria Elena visited their father's hometown in northern Italy. As cardinal, Bergoglio was appointed to 5 administrative positions in the Roman Curia. He was a member of the Congregation for Divine Worship and the Discipline of the Sacraments, the Congregation for the Clergy, the Congregation for Institutes of Consecrated Life and Societies of Apostolic Life, the Pontifical Council for the Family, and the Commission for Latin America. Later that year, when Cardinal Edward Egan returned to New York following the September 11 attacks, Bergoglio replaced him as relator in the Synod of Bishops, and according to the Catholic Herald, created a favorable impression as a man open to communion and dialogue. Cardinal Bergoglio was known for his personal humility, doctrinal conservatism, and commitment to social justice. His simple lifestyle, including living in a small apartment rather than the elegant bishop's residence, using public transportation, and cooking his own meals, enhanced his reputation for humility. He limited his time in Rome to lightning visits. After Pope John Paul II died on 2nd April 2005, Bergoglio attended his funeral and was considered one of the papabile for succession to the papacy. He participated as a cardinal elector in the 2005 papal conclave that elected Pope Benedict XVI. In the National Catholic Reporter, John L. Allen Jr. reported that Bergoglio was a front runner in the 2005 conclave. In September 2005, the Italian magazine Limes published claims that Bergoglio had been the runner-up and main challenger to Cardinal Ratzinger at that conclave, and that he had received 40 votes in the third ballot but fell back to 26 at the fourth and decisive ballot. The claims were based on a diary purportedly belonging to an anonymous cardinal who had been present at the conclave. According to the Italian journalist Andrea Tornelli, this number of votes had no precedent for a Latin American papabile. Stampa reported that Bergoglio was in close contention with Ratzinger during the election until he made an emotional plea that the cardinals should not vote for him. According to Tornelli, Bergoglio made this request to prevent the conclave from delaying too much in the election of a pope. Theological emphasis and teachings. In Evangelic Gaudium, Francis revealed what would be the emphasis of his pontificate, a missionary impulse among all Catholics, sharing the faith more actively, avoiding worldliness by more visibly living the gospel of God's mercy, and helping the poor and working for social justice. Since 2016, criticism against Francis by theological conservatives had intensified. One commentator had described the conservative resistance against Francis as unique on its visibility in recent church history. Some have explained the level of disagreement as due to his going beyond theoretical principles to pastoral discernment. Francis' health. Elected at 76 years old, Francis was reported to be healthy. His doctors had said the lung tissue removed in his youth did not significantly affect his health. The only concern would be decreased respiratory reserve if he had a respiratory infection. The Pope had suffered from chronic lung damage due in part to the lung excision he had as a young man. In the 2020, he was prone to bouts of influenza and bronchitis in the winter. Knee problems and sciatica prompted him to frequently use a wheelchair, walker, or cane. In 2021, the Pope's health problems prompted rumors that he might resign, which Francis dismissed. In June 2022, after undergoing treatment to his knee, Francis cancelled planned trips to the Democratic. In March 2023, Francis was hospitalized in Rome with a respiratory infection. He returned to celebrate the Easter Vigil Mass on Holy Saturday in April. In June, Francis underwent abdominal surgery after suffering from a hernia. Francis had publicly used a wheelchair since 2022, initially due to persistent knee pain which required an operation. He acknowledged that his recurring mobility problems had precipitated the beginning of what Reuters termed a new slower phase of his papacy. Although he was erased by disabled Catholics for making his disability part of his visible identity. On 19th March, it was reported that Francis was no longer using mechanical ventilation at night, with his doctors stating that his lung infection was under control, although not eliminated. He was discharged from hospital 23rd March. Immediately after blessing a crowd from his balcony, he was expected to spend at least 2 months recuperating at his home in Domus Sanctae Marthae in Vatican City, maintaining a reduced work schedule. He appeared in public for the first time since the hospitalization on 6th April. Death. Francis died at the age of 88 on Easter Monday, 21st April 2025 at 7:35 CEST UTC 202 in his residence in Domus Sanctae Marthae. His death was announced by Cardinal Kevin Farrell on the Vatican's TV channel and in a video statement. The exact circumstances of his death are yet to be disclosed. Italian media reported that the death was caused by a brain-related issue, likely a stroke. His last public appearance was at St. Peter's Signature in Vatican City. The Pope's death begins a papal interregnum and a 9-day period of mourning known as the Novum Dies. The funeral by tradition takes within 4 to 6 days of the Pope's death. His wish was to be buried at the Basilica of Santa Maria Maggiore. Cardinal electors will arrive in Rome to attend the General Congregate of Cardinals, which will decide the date and time of the upcoming conclave. Friends, this is the story of Pope Francis. This is his vast biography. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.